everyone, welcome back to Life with Subiksha. I hope all of you all are doing well with the grace of God. Today's video is very special to me because I have finally purchased my mini sewing machine. So this is how it looks like. Before I go into the model and everything, hit the subscribe button and I will see you all every Friday. So this sewing machine, I bought it on Flipkart. It retailed for 1980 I think, but in the MRP it was written as 5999, which is 6,000. I don't think it is 6,000. I think it is around the range of 2,000 or something like that. So this is how it looks like. This is how the machine looks like, and it is exactly like the electric machine, except that the size is small and it is very small. You can actually lift it with one hand. It is very small in size and there are only 2 stitches which are present in this. So that is the difference between this and a bigger machine. So if you are somebody who is very new to sewing, you want to sew something, you want to start with sewing, then I would suggest that you buy this one because it is even easier and much cheaper before you go to any classes or something like that. If you are abroad, if you want to mend small things like tight to fit something, to lose something, then you can buy this. Okay. So here's what it is present here. So this lever will be used to move the stage or the this place. Then there is a needle. There is a bobbin here. The bobbin arrangement has been done and the needle has been threaded already. When you get it from the delivery, it will be threaded. After using up all of this needle, you will have to learn to thread the bobbin and put it here. Okay. And then this is the power machine. So this runs on electricity. So there are 2 cables over here. One is the foot pedal and other one is the power machine. So you have to connect it. And I have a power adapter here. So I've put it there. And now there is an on-off button. Okay. If you switch it on, the machine will start running. I will show you. So it's on. So if you switch it on, it will start running and then you can stitch easily. But there are some small tricks and tips which you need to do. Even I am a complete beginner. Why I bought this is because I want to start sewing and I want to learn cutting and sewing properly. So I wanted to start with this so that I can learn some straight stitches. But till now I have miserably failed in it. I will show you I have done some zigzag, something I have done, but I think with practice I will be able to do it better. So along with this also came a box. So this box, I am unboxing it right in front of you all. Actually, this mini sewing machine model is much better than the ones which are shown in Amazon. The very tiny ones, the purple color ones, this is much better than that. And I would really recommend you want to buy this. So in the small kit, you have, so you have all the colors here to change the bobbin. And then you have a mini needle, thread, inch tape, measuring tape and the scissors. Okay. But I thought that they will not give me this. So I ordered this one separately. I ordered this separately from Flipkart only. So this has all the color needles and yeah, very good. So this looks very nice. It has some buttons and then it has some extra bobbins, extra safety pin and also the needle which you will use to use it. And then there is also a cutter which is there. An inch tape is there. And then you have all the colors of the sewing machine which is present over here. I think it will be very, very easy to use it. So yesterday I tried using the machine. There was a little bit of problem with the bobbin and the thread. The thread got cutting. It got cut in between a lot of times, and the lower bobbin also kept slipping, and it started creating a bundles of thread. So I am relying on YouTube to learn sewing, basic sewing for now completely. But I live in India, so there are some tailoring classes also. If I go to such classes, I will definitely make a video about it. So, and one more thing, there is also this table which comes along. So let me bring you all a little bit closer and show you. So there is also this table which comes along with the machine. So you can use it like this. You can use it in this way. It is one of the most comfortable ways you can. There's also a foot pedal. So foot pedal comes like the old model of that tailoring machine. So this is how the foot pedal looks like. If you, I'll show you. If you press, it will start. It will start stitching. So I'll just show you a basic stitch of how I do, or I'll try showing it. So this is the stitch which I did. Of course, I have to improve obviously I have to improve the process of stitching, but it stitches very well. The stitches are very next to each other and very neat. So I really love the machine. This was a complete review of the sewing machine which I bought. I will link the machine in the description box, and I will also link the toolkit which I bought in the description box. You can check that out, and I hope the video was helpful to you all. I will see you all next Friday. Until then, bye bye.